achieve your dreams in 3 days. Just 3 days. Hello, I'm Jayran. Welcome to this video. Thank you very much for being with us as always. You watch the videos till the end, like and leave me comments. Let's start this exciting video and say hello to our dreams out loud. Hello! Because after watching this video, our dreams will definitely come true in the next 3 days. So be sure to watch the video until the end because all the techniques of attracting desire in 3 days are included in this video. Stay with me. You must have heard that when you have a dream and wish, that wish is present in the world around you. It doesn't matter what the dream is, object, health, money, a special dream in your life or whatever it is. It is present near you. It is enough for you to see its image in your mind, fantasies about it and feel it. Don't be afraid to talk about the dream and wish that comes to your mind, and the better to write them down. Writing your dreams is the easiest and shortest way to achieve them. Take an hour to think about it. Sit in a quiet corner. Think about your dreams, visualize them, and then see yourself in that situation. Don't just think about your wish. It doesn't matter if you don't have it now. Think and visualize that you have it and do it. Don't forget that everything you see in the world around you is the product of your thoughts. So if you want money, think about money. If you want love, think about it and hug it lovingly in your mind. You want health, breath, and thank God that you are the most healthy person in the world. Just close your eyes and see yourself as the richest, most loving, healthiest, and best person in the world. And then say out loud, I am. And then you will soon become the richest, most loving, healthiest, and best person in the world. Rich and successful people have a conscious and rich mind before money and success. If you are poor and think about not having money, late installments and debts every day. Again, you attract poverty, installments, and debt. But if you are poor and think every day about the house you love, your latest model car, and your abundant money, you will definitely become the richest person in the world soon, because your brain tells the universe, I want money and happiness. And the universe says, I obey my Lord. So start today. First day and first step. Think about all the blessings you have and be thankful for them. Now is the time to find your dream and think about it. Second steps. Write your wish on a big board or paper and put it on the wall of the house so that you can see it at any time. Step 3. Don't forget that every time you see your wish on the board, you should feel from the bottom of your heart that you have achieved it and be happy. You can even laugh out loud and thank God for getting your wish. Second day, Find photos related to your wish from the internet, print them and stick them on the board next to your wish. Then, sit in front of that table and imagine yourself in that situation. Close your eyes. Put on calm, light music and see yourself achieving your dream and live in that moment. Third day. Today you are going to meet your dreams with a smile. Be sure they will come true. It's enough to have faith and think with positive energy only that your wish has been fulfilled. Thank you for being with me, and I hope you live your dreams and always be happy and successful. Your subscribe, likes, and comments give me the best energy. God bless you.